Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create glass reflect effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have glass reflect effect. First, import the reflection image using Place Embedded option under the File option in menu bar and place it accordingly. Now, right-click on the reflection image and convert it to Smart Object. Then, go to Filter option on menu bar, select Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur a little accordingly. Now, change the blending mode from normal to screen. Now, click on the adjustment layer icon under the layer panel and select levels. Adjust the sliders accordingly to your preferences. Then, right-click on the level adjustment layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Finally, click on the reflection layer and decrease the opacity as per your preferences. Now you will have achieved the desired glass reflect effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.